Earlier this week, Microsoft-backed OpenAI launched the latest iteration of its popular artificial intelligence program, Chat. Chris and Chat 4, the San Francisco-based company's latest offering, is not yet available to the general public. The version released in November 1 is not freely accessible. How do I access GPT-4? 1. To get to Chat 4, you will need the paid version of the site, Chat Plus. Here's how you can get a subscription. 3. If you already have access to Chat Plus, then the site will take you directly to Chat 4. 4. If you don't have the premium version, you'll have to upgrade from the sidebar by selecting the Upgrade to Plus option. 5. The upgrade option will show you a comparison between the free and premium versions. 6. Once you've paid the piper, you'll get full access to the latest version of the chatbot. 7. When starting a new chat, a pull-down will give you the option to use one of the old models or GPT-4. Do note that Chat 4 is slower than the other models, but is far more complex in interactions, with OpenAI terming their new release the most human yet.